So there's just a couple other minor things we want to adjust here. We want to hide the label. If we pull up our wireframe, there's no label up here, and then the button says search. Right now it says apply. So let's go back to our view and let's hide the label first. So we're going to go to our filter criteria here, and for the label, we're just going to remove the text and click apply. And now let's adjust the text in our button. That's going to be here in our exposed form style. I'm going to click settings, and here's our submit button text, and we'll enter search and apply. Let's save this and take a look at our search page again. We're not seeing our changes, so let's try clearing the caches. And it looks good. Now something we're not seeing here is the title for the block. Even though in the block layout page, if we go to look at our block here and configure, it's set to display the title. This could be oversight on my part, but I think this is a bug that will likely be fixed in later versions of Drupal 8. So in order to add the search title that we see here in the wireframe, we would need to do a little bit of CSS. For now though, it's functioning and almost identical to the wireframe. Now if we go back to our search page and we search for something nonsensical, we get a blank page. It would be better if we could display a message that says, sorry, no search results for that phrase. So let's go back to our view and let's add some no results behavior. We've gone through this before. We'll add a text area. And for the content, we'll put, sorry, there were no results for that search. I'll click apply and save. And now if we go back to the search page and search for nothing, we get a little bit of feedback at least.